Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to listen to AI voice in Murf before exporting it. But before you continue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now log into your Murf account and use your verified Gmail account. Head over to this dashboard, and here I'm choosing AI voice. Even and I have text, for example. Hi, this is this text. And the speed is to default, and I don't have any pauses, and the voice tone is general. Now just click on play this button to listen to your AI voice. Let's listen to it together. So this is how you test your AI generated voice before exporting it, and that's it guys, your work is done. If you found this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.